Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has begun her Padyatra. This is a protest of which the Chief Minister of the state is a part of. This is a march by Mamata Banerjee to demand the hanging of the accused. The Trinamool Congress leaders have said will not allow the BJP left conspiracy. Remember, Mamata Banerjee has been maintaining that the vandalism and arson that took place was Ram and Bam. She's referring to the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Communist parties, that it's their conspiracy, their goons that were a part of all that chaos. TMC is demanding a death penalty now for the rapists as well. This is at a time, remember, when the Central Bureau of Investigation has taken over from the Kolkata police and are now heading for further investigation, amid which there was massive damage that's been recorded. India Today's Indrajit Kundu and Anupam Mishra are on the ground. Indrajit, over to you now. Mamata Banerjee is a part of a protest, and why?
Well, Pooja, we are here on the streets of Kolkata, and Mamata Banerjee is doing what she does best. You know, she's the Chief Minister, but here we can see Mamata Banerjee donning the hat of the opposition leader. She's out on the streets today, leading this massive protest. What is interesting is, you see, she's flanked by all the women leaders. I can see June Malia, newly, Mahua Moitra, TMC MP, Shayani Ghosh, TMC MP, Women and Child Development Minister Shashi Paja, there, Rachana Banerjee, the new MP. So all the MPs and MLAs, all the newly elected women MPs and MLAs are, flanking Mamata Banerjee on both sides, and she's taking the message across through her Padayatra. The slogan that is being raised, that this is a huge conspiracy by Ram, Vam and Sham, where she says there's a concerted conspiracy by the left, the BJP and the Congress, hitting out at the entire opposition. Mamata Banerjee playing it with a straight bat, but many would ask, is she on the back foot right now? And is she trying to dodge that? Because questions, of course, being asked of the state government just a short while back. It was the Kolkata Police Commissioner who held a press conference. The Police Commissioner had himself blamed the media for the vandalism, and he had said that it was because of the media's provocation that the vandalism took place at Arjigal Hospital. But look at the body language. Look at the body language of Chief Minister and all her female colleagues. There were questions asked as to why a lot of them rose up pretty late. But look right now, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, live and exclusive on India Today right now. Mahua Moitra, Shashi Panja, all these Trinamool, Shatabdi Roy, Rachana Banerjee, all these Trinamool Congress newly elected MPs and MLAs out on the street.
All right, Indrajit is trying to get us a reaction from Mamata Banerjee. You can see surrounded by women. Very interestingly, all the women leaders of TMC have come out. Anupam Mishra is also on the location. Anupam, you tell us, what is happening? How many people have gathered in support with Mamata Banerjee? What are their demands?
Exactly, it's a massive rally by Mamata Banerjee, and let me show you, it's already on the verge of culmination. We are at Dorina crossing. This is the culmination point where Mamata Banerjee is just reaching at the spot, and it's a massive rally. A lot of women have participated in the rally, and a lot of women leaders of TMC are walking with Mamata Banerjee. So it's a kind of statement which Mamata Banerjee wants to give to everyone, that we also want death by hanging. We are not in support of what has happened, because a backlash has started over the incident against Trinamool Congress, and this is one of the biggest kind of dent with in Trinamool Congress, because we have not seen a kind of outrage against TMC for any kind of incident. And last time we have seen that Sandesh Khali was the incident when a lot of outrage poured in. But in this incident, we have seen the urban class. The urban class is coming spontaneously to the roads and protesting against the incident. So the Trinamool Congress, the strength of Trinamool Congress has always been the urban voter. And when urban people, urban class comes out to the street and demands justice, this is a kind of a statement which goes against Mamata Banerjee, and that is why Mamata Banerjee has hit the street and she is walking towards Dorina crossing. It's on the verge of culmination, and Mamata Banerjee will also speak here. She will also speak here, and yesterday we have seen that she has blamed Left Front and BJP for the attack on RG Kar Hospital. So she is directly blaming Left and BJP for the attack on RG Kar Hospital, whereas BJP is also hitting streets.
Okay.
Earlier we have seen that BJP wanted to do a dharna at Shyam Bazar 5-point crossing, but they have been denied permission by Kolkata police. Now BJP will also start to rally towards Mamata Banerjee's residence. So it's a kind of vice versa political showdown between BJP and TMC today. Pooja.
All right, Anupam, keep tracking all the latest on that. I want to go back to Indrajit Kundu. Remember, this is the Chief Minister of Bengal who's currently leading a protest. But Indrajit, that begs a question. One, she's not a part of any protest. This is a new, fresh protest that has been led by TMC leaders, specifically Bengal Chief Minister. But I also feel it comes a little late, isn't it? Many of these leaders were quiet all these days. Then they started to give out a statement. Then they're now leading an agitation. Mamata Banerjee should be supervising the investigation, but she's on the streets. Why, Indrajit?
Yes, Pooja, she's out on the streets, as I said. She's doing what she does the best, playing the role of the opposition leader most often. Therefore, a lot of people, political observers here in Bengal say that who is actually the opposition? Because Mamata Banerjee, being an astute politician, she's often out on the streets playing the role of the opposition, in a sense co-opting the role of the opposition while she's on the chair at the administration as the Chief Minister of the state. Many questions right now, but as I would show you, generally when such a rally takes place, she comes here and she speaks. But now she's not speaking. All her female MPs and MLAs, as I said, Mahua Moitru, the high-profile ones, Shatabdi Roy, the West Bengal Women and Child Development Minister Shashi Panja, Sayantika, flanked by actors turned politicians, Sayantika, who's become an MLA, Shatabdi Roy raising a very fervent speech right now, raising the slogans next to
What are
Mamata
they saying?
Rachana Banerjee.
What are they
She's
saying? Is
actor,
it the
first-time
Ram and Bam
MP
slogan
this time
again by
around.
the leaders? What are these women netas shouting in the slogans? Tell us.
Mamata Banerjee, of course, telling Arup Biswas, one of her cabinet colleagues right now, the slogan they're raising is Bichar Chai, which is we want justice and we want death penalty for the rapists. Fashi Chai, Bichar Chai is what they're saying. And if you see behind Mamata Banerjee, there's a huge poster, and I ask my camera person to show Ram Bam Sham Chakranto Bondo. Ram Bam Sham. So what they're saying is this is a concerted effort by all the opposition parties. Ram Bam and Sham, by which they mean the BJP, the left and the Congress all have come together. Because remember, it was Rahul Gandhi who has criticized the role of the West Bengal police. He has also spoken out. Mamata Banerjee hasn't taken it well, and at this point in time, with her back against the wall over this case, and there is massive public outrage in Kolkata, elsewhere across West Bengal. She's trying to, be on the offensive. Clearly, this is her strategy. This is the best strategy that Mamata Banerjee generally takes. Whenever she's, whenever she's cornered, she goes on the offensive politically, and this is a clear political pitch. At a time when there is a massive pouring of outrage over this entire incident, when the role of the Kolkata police has come under the scanner, when the role of the administration has come under the scanner, Mamata Banerjee, knowing all this very well, she's out on the street trying to sway public opinion. This is a gamble. She has won using such a gamble all the time. Will she this time? Because 2 days back, what we saw, Pooja, I was there on the streets of Kolkata at midnight. There was mass, outpouring of rage, anger amongst women. They came from all walks of life. There was no political banner. They didn't come with political, banners. And it was general public, and the anger was palpable and genuine. That is a cause of worry for the Trinamool Congress administration here, because they don't want that sense to prevail. They don't want the sense to go that the Mamata Banerjee administration is soft on crime against women, or the fact that there is differences within the Trinamool Congress. Leaders like Shantanu Sen, MPs like Shukendra Sekhar Roy, they have spoken out. So this is also damaging the prospects of the party. And in that sense, Mamata Banerjee, being the supreme leader of the party and also the leader of the administration, she is out here trying to send a message to her own constituency. And I'll tell you, there are a lot of women who are raising their voice. Chattoki, just show this visuals once again. The majority of people who have taken part in this rally today, led by Mamata Banerjee, are
Indrajit,
women.
stay
So there
on
are
with me.
women
That's
leaders
a
at the
massive
forefront.
gathering of supporters that have come in with Mamata Banerjee to raise slogans demanding death penalty, saying we want justice. All the senior leaders, remember, many of them also faced an outrage about why were they not speaking right when the incident had taken place. Why did it take time for the TMC leaders to start speaking up? But now they have come out on the street. Mamata Banerjee, you can see, is not raising slogans, but she's clearly supervising. She's telling all her leaders what to say. And this, remember, is the Chief Minister of the state currently out on the streets demanding death penalty here with her women netas.